Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Office 2021, which is the latest and the greatest version of the Office. It is not recommended to do this. uh, Means that the company also doesn't recommend this. But yeah, as you can understand that many people can't afford the costly Office. So now we'll start with the method how to do it. So first, open your browser. Then you can type what I am typing. I click enter and go to the first website, which will provide you the direct download links from the my office from the Microsoft. The method I am showing you is a genuine method. You'll be downloading a genuine Office, not like that you're downloading a third party or something like that. So yeah, the links are here. So you can go for English language or any language if what which you prefer. So yeah, here's the English section, and I'll be downloading the Professional Plus. So I'll click on this. So yeah, we have to then save it. The size is of 4.2 gigabytes. It's an ISO file. So we'll click on save. Okay, then the download will start. So I've already downloaded it, so I'll cancel it. And there is one more tool which I have told you about earlier in my earlier videos, that is Windows ISO downloader. I have told you about this tool. This tool also supports also gives you the direct link to download the file Office image, but Office 21 is just now announced or released, so it isn't available currently. But yeah, later it will definitely be available on that tool, so you can download it from there also. I'll give the video card about my Windows ISO downloader video. So now I'll close the browser. So yeah, the image will look like this. ISO file will look like this. You need to right click and mount it. If you are Windows 10 or if you are on Windows 8, 10 or 11, you can directly click on mount. But if you are using on Windows 7, then you need to download some third party ISO extractor or WinRAR. You can download that and you can extract the files from it. So for now I'll click on mount. Yeah, then I'll double click on the setup file, which is the application. So yeah, the installation has started. The application is starting, and the installation will start in a few moments. Yeah, so the installation has started. So this will take time depending upon the speed of your computer, whether you have a hard disk or an SSD, or many factors depend. So yeah, it'll take around 5 to 10 minutes or maximum 15 to 20 minutes to install. Okay, so we'll wait for it to install. Okay, my friends, we are now done with the installation of Office 2021. So now we'll close this, and now we'll check our applications. Yeah guys, I'm sorry that I'm not able to show you because there is some glitch in my computer. uh, it is opening the previous version. The problem is that I had already uninstalled that previous version, but I don't know what's the problem. So yeah guys, if you do it, then you will probably you will definitely get it. If you didn't have any office versions earlier, or if you are upgrading also, if you have properly uninstalled the older version and you have removed that product key and all, then you will definitely get it. So yeah guys, that's for this video. If you I hope that this video would be helpful for you. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.